Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you coming here. Before we go anywhere, please take the time to subscribe or like this video, comment, tell me something, say something about this look, what you think about it, and we can go from there. So my video today is about a haul that I did today. I went to Sephora's, I went to Ulta's, I went to Target, all kinds of places, and I got some goodies today. So I wanted to share the goodies that I got today. But the first one that I want to talk about, oh my goodness! Sorry for that. Is this Fenty Beauty, what is the name of this? Diamond Bomb. Oh my word. I looked at it, I tried it on my skin, and I damn near died. It's just so pretty. So here it is. Oh, I don't know if the glare of the light you can see it, but anyway, there it is. Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. It is off the chain. I'm going to use this in one of my tutorials to show you what it actually, I didn't use it today. I had already made up myself today before I went out, you know, or before I came to make this haul to tell you guys about what I got today. So yeah, off the chain. I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. Like, I put it in my skin and I feel like, oh, I'm rich, bitch. Anyway, so but it's so like luxe and luxurious and so pretty, especially on my skin tone. Anyway, so the next one that I got was I got this at Target. It's I wanted to just try the foundation. That's the only thing I got. I didn't get anything else for this brand, but I wanted to see how the foundation goes on my skin tone before I do anything else or buy anything else they have, is what I should say. So it's the NYX. You can see it. So it's the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. The foundation, it's deep ebony, of course. It doesn't have a number, okay. So it's the deep ebony and it says up to 24 hours matte finish. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. I've never used your brand, so we'll see. But you know what, let me go back to Fenty. I'm excited. I've got a couple of samples of at least 3 foundations from Fenty. Oh, huge disclaimer. Before I go anywhere or say anything else, I want to say that none of these things that I bought today or is sponsored. That's what I should say. It's not sponsored. This is my own money, my own coin that I use to buy everything else, everything that I'm showing you today. So yes, no sponsorship. This is just out of my own pocket. I wanted to buy them and try them and show them to you, just so you see how it'll look like on your skin if you have my skin tone, or even don't. And just maybe get ideas on, you know, how it'll go well on your skin. So coming back to NYX, yeah. So as I was saying, I was speaking to this nice girl at Target. She was really, really nice. So she would help me out. She said, try it. So $14. Oh, let me go back as far as the Fenty. I think the Fenty Diamond Bomb, this right here, cost me about 32 bucks. 32 or $35. I have to look at the receipt, but it's worth it. Alright, so the NYX I think cost me about $14-15. So I like everything, all things deep. Foundation, anything deep, I like it. So I'm gonna try this and see. I want to actually make a tutorial with this foundation later on and see how it goes on my skin tone. So yeah, that's that. So the next thing that I got from Fenty was the highlighter. As you can see, I have some highlighter on, but it's not so highlighted. It's a highlighter that I got from Walmart. No, I got it from Walmart. One second, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry. So yeah. So this is the highlighter that I use, and it's for contouring and highlighting. And for what you pay for it, it gives you what you pay for it. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So it's not really doing too much for me. It's highlighted, but not too much. But this Fenty, oh wow. What is the name of this one? It is called Trophy Wife. Girl. Where is it? You can see it now. Oh, it's in focus. Okay, yeah. Trophy Wifey. Let me see, let me turn it this way. It's not focusing, but anyway. Fenty Beauty highlighter Trophy Wife. And I'm leaving everything in the box until I try them on. So I just wanted to come out here and show you guys what I got today. I'm so excited. So okay, so that's that. The next foundation that I got, which I've seen a lot of deep dark skin women use a lot of, especially Naima. I love her. I love her spirit. I love what she does. I love that she's so cool. Anyway, so yeah, NARS wasn't cheap. NARS wasn't cheap, and this one comes in. Oh, the name of this one is Rdsibeauty D5. Rdsibeauty D5. I don't even know if this is going to focus enough for you to read it. But, oh well, it's the Rdsibeauty D5, and I put it on my skin. I tried it a little bit on my skin, and it was fine. I was like, oh, I'm getting it. So, yeah, that's about it. I'm excited. Once again, I will use this in one of my tutorials, so you'll see how it goes on my skin, or how it will go for your skin. So, all right, that's that. So the next thing that I got was, and I've seen a lot of videos about this, probably seen a tidbit of it, what I was going to show you, but anyway, I've seen a lot of videos, you know, with a lot of you know, beautiful ones using this eyeshadow palette. And I was like, you know what, I've heard so much about it, I've seen a lot of people use it, so let me buy one and see how it goes for my skin tone. And this company, as you already know, all I have to do is just probably hold it up and you will know. Juvia's Plus. Yes, hot team. They looking snatch. Look at them women. Oh, yes, love. Yes. So yeah. There you go. So this one is Juvia's Place, the Warrior eyeshadow. It's looking all the way cute. It's looking all the way nice. The colors so beautiful. So yes, I haven't even opened it. See, it still has that little, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it still has that little right here, that little clear tape they put on it. So it's not opened. I'm not gonna open any of this until, you know, I'm actually doing a tutorial with it, so we can you know, see how it goes together. All right, so I got some, let me see. Oh, I don't even know how to pronounce this one here, but I got some nice eyelashes. Let's see how that goes. Eyelure? Is that how you pronounce that? I don't know, let me know. Yes, so I got that from Target. I'm gonna try it to see how it goes. I'm excited. All right, so the next thing that I got is I got some brushes. Okay, so this is how it went in a packet, and I think it's called All I Want. Some brushes for my eyes when I'm doing my shadows, my eyeshadows. See, All I Want. And it's made by Morphe. Oh, is it upside down? Probably is upside down. Sorry. Yeah, so yeah, here we go. It's supposed to be this way. Oh, upside down for me, but Oh, no, upside down. Yeah, you get the idea, and you know what I got. So yeah, it's a Morphe, and I will show you all the brushes. Did I leave them? Oh, I left them. Yes, so I just kind of forgot myself and put it away, but this is how they come, actually. If you can see it. There you go. Yep. I'm excited about that. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so the next one that I got, which I'm really excited about, is the Morphe James Charles palette, the eyeshadow palette. Oh, auntie, talk to me. I am so excited. This one I might take out of the box. Yeah, why not? Take it out of the box. What is the sense of going all the way to get it and not show it to y'all? So, I show you guys the box. So here's the box. Oh, I'm so sorry. I paid, how much was this? What's this? $39.99, I think, or $40 for this right here. And it comes in this beautiful black matte looking box. And the big reveal. Oh, mother. Here you go, folks. Yes, Haunty. Yes, Mama, talk to me. Yes. So I'm so excited. So excited to try these colors. So absolutely fantastically excited. Alright, so yeah, $40. Not bad at all. So yeah, let me go ahead and just open the rest of them. Let me see. Or at least open Juvia's place so you can see it. I've seen the other colors, but I wanted to go with the Morphe and see how that goes. And depending on how it goes with Juvia's, I may go get the other colors. Who knows? So, oh, these women. Yes, Mama. Talk to me. Talk to me. All right, so here is an actual eyeshadow palette for Juvia. And here's what's in there. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so beautiful. Anyway. So, I'm gonna... I know I wasn't going to, but I'm going to swatch. I'm going to swatch the Diamond Bomb on my skin. First of all, this is what it looks like. Shine bright like a diamond, Riri. So pretty. There you go. There it is. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Anyway. Oh my word. This is what it looks like, folks. It looks white, but it's like, it's not white. Oh, there it is. Focus for me, Haunty. Alright, here we go. Yeah. So I'm gonna put, oh my word. Just the touch of it, the feel of it, it's like, And this is like, I don't know if you can see it. You can barely see it. Barely. Oh, it's ashy, sorry. So, you can barely see it. Yeah, you can barely see it. But anyway, believe me when I tell you, it is so bomb. It is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So here it is. Man, my hand is ashy. It'll work. Oh, look at that. that? You see the diamond freckles or specks flying around? Oh, it's so pretty. But anyway, my hands are ashes, forgive me. But yeah. Yes. When I do a tutorial, I'm going to use it on my body and my face, and you will see what it looks like. Okay, so that's that. To not just go over, not just talk. I'm just done with the video. I just wanted to just show you guys what I got today and how excited I was to finally have these things. And once again, nobody's paying me for any of this. This is my own coins, my own money, right? That I used to buy all these things. So thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And thank you for, once again, being here with me and listen to me show you these things and talk. So yes, please share this video, please comment, please subscribe, and I will most certainly see you later. Bye-bye, sweetheart.